Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you already know from the title, I'm gonna do a Nykaa haul. So this is where I've got everything inside. This includes everything I've got from the Nykaa store and Nykaa website. So let's get through it, guys. Okay, so the first product I've got here is Nykaa by Masaba matte lipstick. This is new launch from Nykaa by Masaba, and this is in the shade You Grow Girl. Look at the packaging, you guys. I love the packaging of Masaba lipsticks, you know. They look so cute. This is what the shade looks like. This is a pinky brown shade, and I just love these kind of shades, you guys. This will suit so many Indian skin tones, and this will not at all wash you out. So the second product is this K Beauty matte blush. So this is in the shade Dusty Rose. I really wanted to buy a matte blush as I didn't have one. So this one looks like this. It exactly looks like its shade name Dusty Rose. I think it's gonna suit me really well. So this is a swatch for you guys. As you can see, it is rosy mauvey kind of a shade. The packaging of K Beauty products are like amazing. You will just buy these products for the packaging itself. However, whatever K Beauty products I've used till now have amazing quality. So the next product I've got here is this Nykaa liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Madras Kapi, and this is what the packaging looks like, and this is how the liquid lipstick looks like. The wand has a very nice size and a very nice shape. This kind of wand really helps in precisely applying your liquid lipstick, and the shade looks like this. So this is a very true brown shade, as I'm a big fan of using true brown shades. So yeah, and I've also got this liquid lipstick in another shade, which is Kashi. This is what the shade looks like. So this shade Kashi has a very nice mix of brown and pink in it. This is the next product I've got. This is K Beauty mascara. This has a very chunky packaging. I've never seen a mascara which is thick like this. So this is what the wand looks like. This is a very normal wand which every other mascara has. My preference in mascara is that I just want to separate my lashes and lengthen them. I don't really like volumizing mascaras. I hope it just separates my lashes. The next product I got is this e.l.f. Instant Brow Lift Pencil. It has pencil on this side, another side it has a spoolie. I feel like having a spoolie in the eyebrow pencil is a must, you guys, because when you're traveling you don't really need to carry another spoolie brush with you, and it becomes like really convenient. So this is what the shade looks like. I think this shade is gonna really suit me well. The next product we've got here is this contour palette by K Beauty. I really wanted to try some palettes by K Beauty. This is what the palette looks like. This one is a contour shade, this one is a bronzer, and they say that this one is a highlighter. I don't know why they say that, because I bought it thinking that it was a highlighter. I think this one is just a banana powder for the face, and you can actually use this under your eyes and on all over your face. This one is the contour, this one is the bronzer, and this one is the powder highlighter shade. Out of the three, I really like this contour shade. So this is what I got next. This one is K Beauty eyeliner in shade Exotic Indigo. This is what it looks like. This also has a very sleek packaging like other K Beauty products. So this is what the wand looks like, and the shade is exactly like indigo. Guys, I really wanted to buy a color eyeliner because I never had a color eyeliner in my kit. So this is the next product I got, and this one is K Beauty eyebrow pencil. This one is in the shade Chestnut. This is a pencil which needs to be sharpened, and the shade looks like this, and the shade has a little bit of maroon in it. I don't know how it's gonna look on my eyebrows. When compared with the e.l.f. one, e.l.f. one has medium brown shade, and when you compare these two, as you can clearly see, it has a little tinge of maroon in it. These are the next two products I got. As you can see, I got two of the same products. So one is for me and the other one is for my sister. So this one is Clear Brow and Lash Mascara by e.l.f. Guys, this is the third time I'm buying this. I love it so much. I've already finished one, using the second. This is my third buy. I really like the Clear Brow Gel. There are some eyebrow gels in the market that whenever you frown, they're like, you will feel it while frowning, but this one you cannot. It doesn't feel like anything on your face, and it really sets your eyebrows well. The second last product is this eyebrow gel. This is also by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this one is a colored eyebrow gel. This one is in the shade brunette. This is also a product which I've already finished once, and this is the second time I'm buying this. The color is so awesome, and the font, look at this. This is so tiny. It is very easy to use on your eyebrows. I have used eyebrow gels which have bigger wands than this, and those big wands, the product really spreads all over here, and you'll have to then remove it, and it just becomes a mess. So this product also sets your eyebrows like an eyebrow gel, and yeah, I love this. So this is the last product. This one is something I got as a complimentary product when I was shopping from Nykaa store, and they had an offer going on that you'll get something when you're shopping above 1500 and 2500. This is the Nykaa metallic liquid lipstick. This is what it looks like. This has the same wand as the matte liquid lipsticks. This is what the shade looks like. So this has a very nice sheen to it, and looking at this, it doesn't have chunky pieces in this. I don't really like to use shiny lipsticks, but yeah, I got it as complimentary, so I might as well try it. So that was it, you guys. That was my Nykaa haul. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Bye guys.